Welcome to Gem Weblog. In this video, we are going to discuss about event handling in Java Swing. What is meant by event? Changes that takes place in the state of the object. When does it occur? When the user interacts with the GUI components. For example, when the user clicks the button. When the user selects the menu item from the given menu. When the users click the radio button, when the user submit the click button, when the user enable the check boxes. So these are the types of event. So whenever this event occurs, some changes will take place with the state of that particular component. So what is mean by event handling? The process of handling the event when it occurs. Code that is used to perform this event handling is called event handler. For example, if you select a menu item, that means if you select the new menu item means then the new documents will be opened. So this is event. So when it click new, the document is opened is the response that takes place with respect to that event. So this process is called event handling process. So what is meant by delegation event model, which is used by Swing in order to handle the event. The key participants are components of this model are event source, then event listener. Who is event source? The object who generates the event is the event source. Then who is event listener? An object that is notified when an event occurs, that is event handler. So this event listener is nothing but it is an interface which is defined in java.aw.event packages. This interface is responsible for handling the event when it occurs. Next, what does it contains? It contains two things. One is methods that the listener must implement, then source of the event. So what will happen whenever the event occurs? All the registered listeners will be notified and receive a copy of the event object where an event occurs. Then that event source will invoke the appropriate method that is available in the listener. Now we will see steps to perform event handling. First, you have to include the package import java.awt.event.star. Next, you have to implement appropriate listener interface in the class. Example, class name followed by implements keyword, then followed by listener interface name. Then you have to register the component with the listener using add followed by the listener name. So what will happen means whenever the event occur, whatever the registered interface will be notified and it will receive a copy of the object that occurs event. Next, you have to override all the methods that is available in the listener interface. So these are the 4 steps to be followed to perform event handling. These are the list of event listener interfaces. First one, action event class. Corresponding interface name is action listener. Then adjustment event listener interface is adjustment listener. Component event component listener. Container event container listener. Focus event focus listener. Item event item listener. Key event key listener. Mouse event mouse listener and mouse motion listener. Mouse wheel event mouse wheel listener. Text event text listener. Window event window listener. Next we'll see what are the methods that is available in each and every listener. In action listener, action performed method is available. Adjustment listener, adjustment value changed method is there. Component listener, component hidden method, component moved, component resized, component shown methods is there. Container listener, component added, component removed method is there. Focus listener, focus gained and focus lost method is there. In item listener, item state changed method is there. Key listener, key pressed, key released and key typed method. Mouse listener, mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, mouse released method is there. In motion listener, mouse dragged and mouse moved method is there. In mouse wheel listener, mouse wheel moved method is there. In text listener, text value changed method is there. In Windows listener, Windows activated, window closed, window closing, window deactivated, window de-iconified, window iconified and window opened method is there. So these are the types of event class and the corresponding listener interface and its methods. Next, we will look into the procedure to handle the event in Java Swing. First, you have to import the package java.awt.event. Next, you have to implement the corresponding action listener. Here we are going to write the action listener for the button. So the event class is action event, listener interfaces action listener. Then the method to be implemented or overridden is action performed. Here you have to write the action listener for the corresponding component. So B is the button component. So you have to write the listener for this B dot add action listener, followed by you have to create the anonymous class for the corresponding listener interface. And then inside that you have to override the methods in it. Now we will see the demonstration of this program. Now we will see the demonstration of event handling. The first step to perform event handling, you have to import the package java.awt.event. So import java.awt.event. Okay, two ways you can able to enhance it, either by implementing the interface directly into the program or using anonymous method. First we will go for implementing the interface using anonymous method. Here I am going to add the listener interface for button. So which event will occur by button means action event. So the corresponding listener interface is add action listener. First I have to register my component to the corresponding listener interface. So action listener is my interface name. So first I am registering it now. Since this action listener will receive the object of the corresponding listener, so you have to create the object using anonymous method action listener. So inside it I have to override the methods that is available in the listener interface. Which method is available? Void action performed method. So I have to define the methods void action perform which receives action event. Action event E. So inside this, what we are going to do means I am going to set the text for the button. Hi, you have clicked. Initially it has been set as click me. Now once you click on the button, the text will be changed to hi clicked. Now we will compile it. Java C yes button dot java dot class. Now if you see the window, initially the button contains caption click me. Now I am going to click on this button. It has changed it to hi clicked. So this is the one way of handling the event in Java Swing. Now we will look into the procedure to handle the event by implementing the listener interface. Now what changes you have to do with the previous program means you have to implement the corresponding listener interface in the class. That means public class name followed by implements keyword followed by the listener interface name. If you implement listener interface here means here inside the constructor just you have to register the component with the corresponding interface alone. No need to create the anonymous clause inside it. Okay, that means for action listener you have to register the component with action listener b dot add action listener. So this represents the object that where the event occurs. Next, outside the constructor you have to define all the classes that is available in the corresponding listener interface. Here for action listener, action performed has to be overwritten. So that definition of this method has to be written outside the constructor. Now we will see the demonstration of this program. Now we will see how to handle the event by implementing the corresponding listener interface. First you have to import the corresponding packages into the program java.awt.event. Next you have to include your listener interface into the program using implements keyword. For button event, action listener is the interface name. So you have to include into the program using implements keyword followed by listener name action listener. Next third step you have to register your component. Now the component is button, B is the object for that button. So you have to register the component in the corresponding interface. So add action listener. So of this. So the method that is available in action listener interface is void action perform method. So you have to define the method outside the class action perform which receives action event object E. So inside the method I am changing the text of the button to hi clicked.